This is what happens to your body when you use the cell phone at night. Nowadays, it is very difficult to be away from our cell phone. We use it basically for everything and we take it everywhere, and we always try not to forget it since it has become a considerable part of our life, day after day. But we're sure there's something you do not know about smartphones. Surely you did not know, but the use of mobile phones at night is very harmful. Even, it is harmful to have it only close by. It is not a mystery that cell phones emit radiation that damages our body, seriously. Both physically and mentally. This is a very big drawback, taking into account that 9 out of 10 people sleep near your cell phone. And this hurts health very much. The light from cell phones is harmful because before and after dinner increases appetite and alters metabolism. Professionals in psychiatry and neurology warn of the damage that can make the light of mobile phones. 1. Insomnia. The brain requires darkness to produce the hormones that trigger sleep. 2. Accumulation of toxins in the brain. When you sleep well and for the number of required hours, your neurons achieve optimal rest. But in addition, the cells use this time to clear the toxins that your brain produces. Otherwise, toxins will accumulate. 3. Memory loss. This also leads to poor job performance the next day. Reduced ability to solve problems. This could impoverish both work and family life. 4. Weight gain. Lack of sleep can put your metabolism out of control, which can lead to weight gain. Take care of your eyes. A study from the Complutense University of Madrid teaches that the light emitted by cell phones and laptops damages your eyesight, since if you expose it for 72 hours to this light, you would destroy 93% of the photosensitive cells of the retina. For another section, when using these devices minutes before resting you promote the progress of insomnia, so it is really advisable to let them to use 2 hours before going to bed.